All right, so I'm pretty excited about this video. I'm going to do a live demo call of the AI. So I'm just going to ask it to call me and I'm going to talk with it, challenge a little bit and see what it can do. So enjoy this video and let's get straight into it. I should receive the call in no time. There it is. Hello.
Hey, Malcolm, what's going on?
Hey, who am I speaking with?
This is Alex on behalf of John Smith from ABC Insurance. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. What's this about?
Awesome. This is regarding the life insurance inquiry you made recently. Does that ring a bell?
Oh, yeah, it does. Yeah, what's up?
Got it? Awesome. And by the way, the audio has been a bit laggy today, so if I cut you off or if there's a bit of a delay, I apologize in advance. Super curious, what interested you in the ad you saw?
Yeah, I
Are you still
just
with
bought a
me?
house. Yeah, I'm here. I just bought a house and I'm looking for protection for the mortgage.
Awesome. Well, I tell you what, if you're cool with it, if you can give me some context and clarity on what you're looking for in a life insurance plan and what your current situation is. If I believe that what we offer can be beneficial in any way, I'd love to walk you through everything and answer any questions. Does that sound fair?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Great. Malcolm, why don't you give me a brief overview of your current situation? What's the primary reason you're considering life insurance right now?
Yeah, so like I said, the main reason is because I bought a mortgage. That's really the main reason, and yeah, and because um I work a job where I have a high risk, right? It comes with with high risks. As I am an entrepreneur, I just want to make sure that I'm covered in in case of any difficulties financially or otherwise.
So, are you looking for coverage for yourself, your family, or both?
For myself and my spouse.
What about the coverage amount? Do you have a specific figure in mind?
Yeah, I was thinking $500,000.
Makes sense. What's your current understanding or experience with life insurance? Have you had a policy before, or is this your first time considering it?
No, yeah, this is the first time I'm actually buying life insurance myself.
Huh. Got it. So, if I understood correctly, you're looking for coverage for yourself and your spouse. You've recently bought a house and have a high risk job as an entrepreneur, and you're considering a coverage amount of $500,000. Is that about right? Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
that makes sense. That makes sense.
Awesome. That's a solid goal and definitely achievable. Just out of
Hmm.
curiosity, what makes you feel like it's the right time to look into this?
Mm, well, because I just bought a house, right? So the sooner the better, as I've heard.
That makes sense. So, look, we can definitely help you obtain the right coverage for your current situation because, as you saw in the ad, we specialize in exactly that. With that said, why don't we do this? Let me get you in touch with John so he can create a custom plan for you and show you how it can be applied to your specific situation. Does that make sense?
Sure.
Great. So I have his calendar open now. When works for you? Today
But
or tomorrow?
I just have a question about that though. John, who is John? Can you explain me who John is really?
Sorry if that wasn't clear. John is John Smith, the insurance expert from ABC Insurance. He's the one who will be creating a custom plan for you and walking you through everything. He's got a lot of experience in this field and will be able to answer any questions you may have. So, would you like to schedule a call with him for today or tomorrow?
Well, it depends. If he's gonna be trying to pressure sell me in the meeting.
No, not at all. Um, John's goal is to understand your situation and provide you with a personalized plan that fits your needs. He'll answer any questions you have and give you a clear understanding of how our life insurance policies work. There's no pressure to buy anything. He's just there to help you make an informed decision. So, with that said, when works for you? Today or tomorrow?
What time can you do tomorrow?
Let me check John's calendar real quick. Okay, how about tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern time? Would that work for
No,
you?
I can't do that time. No.
I see. Um, no worries. Let me see what else I have available. How about tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern time? Would that work better for you?
What
Um,
about 6 p.m.?
tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern time works perfectly. One last thing. John has me fill in a short application just so they can prepare for the call and help you as much as possible without wasting any time. I'll just hit you real quick with the questions one after the other. Is that cool?
Sure, let's do it.
Great. May I know your age and date of birth to help tailor our recommendations?
Yeah, sure. So my age is 24.
And what's your date of birth?
So my date of birth is August 5th, 1999.
Are you currently married, single, or in a domestic partnership?
I am married.
How many dependents do you have, including children or others who rely on you financially?
I do not have any children or dependents.
How would you describe your current health status? Any existing medical conditions?
Um, no, nothing to signal. I'm pretty good. Still young, still healthy on that end.
Have you had any significant illnesses or surgeries in the past?
Yeah, 2 years ago I had a surgery that was necessary because of a car accident, but that's about all. About Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay. Mm, do you smoke? Um,
No, I do not smoke.
what is your approximate annual income?
I would say around 100K.
Almost done, Malcolm. Do you have any significant debts, such as a mortgage or loans? What are the approximate amounts?
Yeah, so as I said, I have a mortgage, and that's half $1 million, and I have still have a student loan, so that's $20,000, I think.
What is your current job title and in which industry do you work?
Yeah, so I do run my own business, and I work in marketing.
Last question. Do you have any preferences for policy riders or specific features in your life insurance policy?
What do you mean?
Mm-hmm. No worries. It's a bit of a technical term. Policy riders are just additional features or benefits that you can add to your life insurance policy. For example, some people might want a rider that covers them for accidental death or one that provides extra coverage for a specific period of time. But if you're not sure, that's totally okay. We can discuss it further with John during your call. Great, Malcolm. Thank you for taking the time to answer my questionnaire. That's all for
Sure.
me today. Your call is confirmed for tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. You will receive a notification by email. If something comes up, please just let us know to respect our time. Do you have any final questions?
Yeah, I just want to make sure that you got all my answers correctly from your questionnaire. Can you just uh, summarize them for me?
I'd be happy to summarize the answers you provided. Here's a quick recap. You're looking for life insurance coverage for yourself and your spouse. You recently bought a house and have a high risk job as an entrepreneur. You're considering a coverage amount of $500,000. You're 24 years old, born on August 5th, 1999. You're married with no children or dependents. You're in good health but had a surgery 2 years ago due to a car accident. You don't smoke. Um, your annual income is around $100,000. You have a mortgage of $500,000 and a student loan of $20,000. You work in marketing and run your own business. Let me know if that's all correct.
Yeah, that all makes sense.
Great. In that case, I wish you a great rest of the day and see you tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern Time.
Awesome. Have a great day. You too. Bye.
Thank you, Malcolm.
All right. So yeah, that was it. That was the call with the agent. I don't know if you noticed how I was able to ask them feedback, like make them summarize what I told them. They also are able to just confirm if they understood correctly by summarizing, saying stuff like, okay, so if I got it right, if I understood correctly, this is what you need, blah 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 blah. They have the ability of checking your calendar by themselves and booking a call based on what your availabilities are directly in your CRM, directly in your calendar, Google calendar or whatnot. Very, very, very powerful tool. If you don't know it's an AI, you don't realize. Like even if you know it's like so fluid, right? It's so hard to tell that there is not an actual human, right? It's pretty strong tool. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about how it works, if you have any questions about how to implement it, just make sure to reach out and we can talk about it. All right. So take care and talk to you soon.